Hey y'all, so I was checking my calendar and I could not believe that I am about to hit the 2-year mark on this channel. I just wanted to say thank you all for being here for the 2 years, for all of the support, for all of my subscribers. In honor of the 2-year mark, I am butting in the vision board series that I've been releasing, and as I was editing those videos, I realized I did not have a cat project. Cat project really didn't fit into the vision board. I mean, the cats will be in my vision in the end, of course, but there wasn't really a project for the cats. So, to also thank my co-stars, which are of course my cats, I'm going to compile a montage of cat clips of the cats just being the cats. So please enjoy this montage coming up. Hello and welcome to Clay to Canopy, the show where I attempt to make just about everything from the ground up. There's a monster in the house. Oh no, you're in my coffee now. Thanks for splashing coffee all over me. Okay, so here we go. Hello. What you doing? You having catnip? Why are you all depressed today? Huh? What's happening? I know it's rainy and gloomy, but I mean, come on, bub. This is not helpful. No, it's not. This is why I never get anything done around here. Hey, do boo-boo. We're still waiting for glue to dry, but you're in it. What you doing? Yeah, what you doing? Hello, lovely princess. Thanks for joining me. This one is obsessed with fabric, just like her mama. Hello, baby girl. I know you were hollering out there. You didn't like that I came out here without you. It's okay. Don't think that they can see what I'm doing. Ma, come on. I know. I'm trying to work here. Come on. I need this fabric. Don't put your ears up to that old matter to Ma. You're like laying all peacefully in the house. As soon as you smell fabric. You smell fabric and you're here. You and your brother today. What's going on, peoples? Ma, does that mean I'm done working right now? Well, that's lovely. You know, I don't think they want to see that on TV. Okay. Okay. Lay on this one. Ma's got work to do. And thanks again for being here with me and for all of your support throughout these 2 years.